Imagine this, you've just finished a business trip. You've got receipts piled high, a head full of memories, and a growing sense of dread about the expense report. That's where Expensify comes in. But how exactly does Expensify pay you? Let's dive in. Ever wondered if Expensify actually pays you or if it's just a fancy expense tracker? Well, the short answer is, it depends. Direct deposit. The most common method is direct deposit. Once you've submitted your expense report and it's approved, Expensify will send your reimbursement directly to your bank account. This is usually the fastest and most convenient option. Check. If direct deposit isn't an option for you, Expensify can also send you a check. This might take a bit longer, especially if you need to wait for the mail. PayPal. For those who prefer digital wallets, Expensify offers PayPal as a payment option. This can be a quick and easy way to get your reimbursement. Corporate card. If you're using a corporate card for your expenses, you won't receive a direct payment from Expensify. Instead, your company will reimburse you for your expenses. Expensify simply makes it easier to track and submit those expenses. Factors affecting payment. Several factors can influence how and when you get paid. Approval process. Your expense report needs to be reviewed and approved by your company before payment can be processed. Payment terms. Your company may have specific policies regarding payment frequency and deadlines. Expensify settings. Ensure your payment information is up to date and accurate in your Expensify account. Additional considerations. Currency conversion. If you've incurred expenses in a foreign currency, Expensify will typically convert the amount to your local currency. Taxes. Depending on your location and company policies, you may need to pay taxes on your reimbursed expenses. Perks and bonuses. Some companies may offer additional perks or bonuses related to expense management. Tips for faster payments. Submit reports timely. The sooner you submit your expense report, the faster it can be processed. Double-check details. Ensure all information on your report is accurate and complete. Scan receipts. Using Expensify's mobile app, you can scan receipts directly and upload them to your report. Communicate with your company. If you have any questions or concerns about your payments, don't hesitate to reach out to your company's finance or accounting department. So, there you have it. Expensify offers several payment options to suit your needs. By understanding the factors that influence payment and following best practices, you can ensure a smooth and efficient reimbursement process. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.